Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel where we dive into creative design tips with Canva. If you're a travel blogger or just love organizing your trips, today's video is for you. I'm going to show you how to design a beautiful and practical travel itinerary using Canva. Whether you want to share your plans with your audience or just keep your trip organized, this tutorial has you covered. Let's get started. Choose the right template. First things first, open Canva and search for Itinerary in the template section. Canva offers a variety of clean and stylish templates that are perfect for travel itineraries. Pick one that fits your style, whether you're going for something adventurous, minimalist, or colorful. This template will be the foundation of your itinerary. Customize the cover page. Let's start with the cover page. Replace the placeholder text with your trip's name, like Explore Bali, 7-Day Adventure, or European Summer Getaway. Add an eye-catching image that represents your destination. Canva's extensive photo library has plenty of travel-related images, or you can upload your own photos to make it more personal. Organize your travel plans. Now, let's move on to the inner pages where you'll organize your travel plans. Break down your itinerary by day or location. Use headers like Day 1, Arrival in Paris, or Day 2, Beach Day in Santorini. Add key details like flight times, accommodation info, and activities planned for each day. Canva makes it easy to use text boxes and lists to keep everything neat and organized. Enhance with visual elements. To make your itinerary more engaging, add visual elements like maps, icons, and photos. For example, you can include a small map showing the route for a road trip or use icons to represent different activities like hiking, dining, or sightseeing. These visuals not only make your itinerary look more appealing but also help convey information quickly and clearly. Final review and share. Before wrapping up, review your entire itinerary to ensure everything looks perfect. Check for consistency in fonts, colors, and layouts. This will give your itinerary a professional and cohesive look. Once you're happy with the design, download your itinerary as a PDF. You can share it directly with your followers, or keep it handy on your phone for easy access during your trip. And there you have it, Genius Junkies! You've just created a stunning travel itinerary using Canva. This is a great way to keep your travel plans organized and share them with your audience in a stylish format. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more creative design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.